Hi Year 3, I hope you had a good half term, hope you had a good rest and you're raring to go. So this is your maths lesson, week 6, lesson 1. I want you to go to the Top Marks website for a warm-up game. And we're going to focus on subtraction, because I don't know about you, I always find subtraction harder than addition. So type in subtraction and scroll down and you should find the game, Are You a Math Magician? And we're using subtraction. Now the questions are pretty easy. This is all about being able to answer quickly and under pressure. Let me show you. I'm going to try you on level 2. I'll just put MM for Miss Mercer. And have a look. This is your fuel, and you've got to keep it topped up and answer these questions as quick as you can. And press enter. How many can you answer before your fuel is empty? You've got to work really quickly. Keep your eye on that fuel. It's counting down in seconds. Off you go. How many did you get? Have another go. See if you can beat your score. And then a third go. Go for it. A quick revision on time now. Have a look at each one. It tells you what time they went in the oven. And it tells you how long they have to go in for. So what time do they come out of the oven? Can you tell me in digital time? So 7:15 plus 10 minutes. Where do we get to? What's 10:30? Add 20 minutes. You can pause the video to work out all these answers. Chat about it with your grown-up or your big brother or sister. Maybe you want to get a clock to help you. Back to some measuring now. And we're thinking about weight or mass today. Here's my tin of tomatoes. I want you to think, would you measure this in the weight in grams or kilograms? Hopefully you think grams. It's not going to weigh enough to measure in kilograms. How many grams do you think it weighs? Estimate. Say your answer before I reveal that the answer is 400 grams. Now you need to go into the kitchen. Take a grown-up or a big brother or sister with you and see if you can find a can or a tin that weighs 400 grams like my tomatoes. Feel it in both hands. Do you think it's heavy or do you think it's light? Pop it on some weighing scales and check the weight. Now you need to go around the house and collect other items. Items that you estimate weigh more than 400 grams but less than 1 kilogram. Off you go. Once you've got your collection together, test them on the weighing scales. Okay, pop all those objects back nice and neatly where you got them from. Now this time you're going to find items that weigh more than 100 grams but less than 400 grams. Off you go again. Test those out on the weighing scales. See whether you were right or not, and then tidy up again. How about this box of rice? Do you think it'll weigh more than the tin of chopped tomatoes at 400 grams? The same or less? What will it say behind that dice? What will the weight be? And will it be measured in grams or kilograms? The answer? It weighs more, 500 grams. How many grams more does it weigh? How about this packet of rice? Remember, this was 400 grams. This was 500 grams. What's your estimate for the bag of rice? And will it be grams or kilograms? Well, it was 1 kilogram. Do you remember how many grams that is though? Remember, 1,000 grams is the same as 1 kilogram. What if I've got 2 tins of chopped tomatoes? How much would that weigh? What would the addition sum be that we'd need to write down? By the way, other brands of chopped tomatoes are available. You'd need to do this, wouldn't you? Let's be cheeky and sneaky. Instead of doing 400, just do 4. Add 4. Easy peasy, 8. But it was 400. So you add your 2 zeros on the end. And you must remember to put grams on the end. Now, what if I've added a 3rd tin? What will the number sentence be now? You could write 400 grams, add 400 grams, add 400 grams. But you already know that 2 tins weigh 800 grams, so make it easy for yourself. Those were your 2 tins. Now add on your 3rd tin. Be cheeky and sneaky. 8 plus 4 is 12. But put your zeros on the end. There's no way 800 add 400 was 12. That's how many grams 3 tins would weigh. But how would you write that in kilograms? Well, your 1,000 here would be 1 kilogram. And 200 grams. Or you could write 1.2 kilograms. Have a look at page 34 now in your textbook and write your answers on your squared paper. For some extension, have a go at page 35. And you should all be able to have a go at this Mastery Checkpoint 26, which should be in your packs. Have fun, boys, and please make sure you've tidied up. I don't want you getting into trouble. See you tomorrow. Bye.